Okay. I'm gonna be a little quiet since there's like the amount of people behind me. And I'm still not used to doing this in public. But here I am in Japan, in Kyoto. And I'm in a garden whose name I don't even know. But it's in Kyoto, next to the station. I'll look at the pamphlet later at the end of the video, but it's a really nice garden, and it's just nice to get some time to reflect now that I'm finally settled. So there's, what day am I on? I think like day 4. So yesterday was basically me moving into the share house, and I spent a lot of time shopping for houseware, just like hangers and random items I need for the bedroom. And that took a good amount of time since I don't really do that very often, so I didn't know where to go, especially in Japan. Could have just done that in Walmart or Target if I were in California. But that was a fun sort of exploration. If you're near Kyoto Station and you're doing the same thing, there's this store called, I keep forgetting its name actually, but I went to Don Quijote, that was one of them, and then the konbinis have a good amount, the convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, you can find a good amount in there. And Can Do, there you go, it's called Can Do, and it's in like, it's next to this place, I think it's called Yosoba or something, and it has hangers and all that stuff, similar to Daiso. I guess you can go to Daiso as well. But that was the move-in day. Ate some dinner with some friends that I made at the school. Have yet to hear back from the placement exam yet, so I'm not sure which class I'm going to be in, but I'm pretty positive I'm going to be in the pre-intermediate or like beginner to intermediate, not the beginner class, but we'll see what happens. But overall, I'm still adjusting, and it takes a lot of time to adjust to like, it's taking me some time to adjust to like back to where I would be normally if I were in California. So my mind is a little bit still in this suspended state of not being like fully focused. And today, that's what this day is for, is to just like solidify some plans, things that I should have done probably before coming here, but just listing out places I want to see, also listing out places that are good to eat at, since every time I ask some friends to hang out, we always have to like figure out what to eat, and that takes some time. So listing it out beforehand would be good. And where to travel to while I'm on the weekends and there isn't school. And then maybe like looking for some communities that I want to be a part of, or like communities that my hobbies surround, like piano and music, and maybe even getting back into a little gymnastics here, or finding some sort of more physical activity related activity. So that's what I'm about to do right now, probably once I'm out of the sun. The sun keeps coming in and out because of the clouds, but it looks really nice when the sun is out. And it is winter right now, so it is on the colder side for sure, but not unbearable. It's actually not that cold, to be honest. I think I had it in my head that it was going to be a lot colder, which it still might be later on since it's early January. But yeah, a lot to think about. And now that I'm here, it's like, I feel like I more so even have to push myself harder to do the things that I want to do, because there is less structure, or less, like, the routine isn't there where I would go practice piano or start doing something video related. So it's like a brand new start, and I have to be proactive about making sure everything is structured from the beginning. Otherwise, I'm gonna let myself go and get too lost in the haze with all the crazy fun things you can do here and places you can see, which I wouldn't mind doing that, but I want to do it with purpose. So having a plan is ideal. But overall, like, this video for me is just a reflection before everything sort of begins. School's going to start pretty soon. That's going to be very interesting. And I do think I want to create more videos about that and my experience with the school. So I guess this channel will become a little bit like my experience learning Japanese, and perhaps me also giving some tips and stuff, since I probably will be closer to the beginner level. So as long as you know the basics, maybe my videos will help, but we'll see. I don't know how much, because I do want to do things that I feel like I want and have a desire to do, so I don't want to like force it, even though it's probably the most natural or easiest to do. But yeah, that's something I'm like trying to come to terms with. There's just so many things I could do, and I really want to figure out like the thing that makes me feel that I want to do it and do it well. So I just got to be careful of not letting that sort of take over, like just seeing all the shiny objects and reaching out to grab it because it seems nice to do, if that makes sense. But I do want to do something Japan related while I'm here, exploring Kyoto or something. But yeah, let's figure it out right now. That's what I'm gonna do. And okay, this is called the Shosei En Garden.